requirements on its second stage. Pag nasa first stage po, PEZA technical team will check the viability of the project, and then it will be called PEZA approved. Once they get the resolution from PEZA, they'll go through another long list of requirements, which is yung Sangguniang Bayan. Actually, Sangguniang Bayan endorsement is enough, but our good mayor here is phrasing nga po, which is tama, na ipakita that we are one and we support, that strong support kasi will give, an extra points. It's not written in the checklist, but parang more push for its presidential proclamation. So with the question on environmental management, one of the requirements later on will be ECC. And pagdating po ng ECC, if I'm not mistaken, ang isa sa mga activity before they issue your ECC compliance is public scoping. That's when the LGU Pagudpud and probably the potential investors later on will present to each of the barangays and its a stakeholder the project details, all your questions on environment and everything you can actually raise during the public scoping. That's per experience in terms of getting ECCO. So for me, if I may cut it short, our office fully supports this one because it's been a long time na naghahanap po tayo ng malalaking lupa. To be honest, the developers that we've been meeting, the big developers in the Philippines, ang hanap nila is not just 25 hectares, but this kind of lupa, like 100 plus hectares, yan ang tinitignan po ng mga developers. So, also, again, another appreciation for the LGU Pagudpud in taking the initiative to consolidate private lots. It's allowed, actually, to consolidate private lots as long as the private owners or the owners of the lots would agree na gagawin siyang economic zone, and that allows the LGU Pagudpud to submit it as an economic zone, then wala akong problema. So in our case, sa investment office, we also have the same scheme with LGU Pagudpud. We try to look for strategic lots that has potential for economic zone. Even if it's private, we try to talk to these private owners, and then entering lang memorandum of agreement, then pag-usapan na lang and ipapalis ba or whatsoever. And tama po yung sinabi din ni Mayor na it's not necessarily the local government unit who will, invest, develop, manage. Common practice is for a strategy is we offer it to private developers because they know and they have partners pagdating po, for example, yung water supply.